implant signifies a bionic device wherein an artificial device is used to stimulate a biological organ, that is the cochlea. We in ENT surgery are extremely privileged to be offered this opportunity of restoring the full sense of an organ. Children who are totally deaf are now have the benefit of receiving a cochlear implant, which can help them develop like any other normal child.
मुझे 2.5 साल की थी, मुझे मालूम नहीं था इसकी सना बोल नहीं पा रही, सुन नहीं पा रही। जब मुझे मालूम पड़ी तो मुझे आसमान और जमीन एक हो गया। तो 3 साल मुझे दौड़ना बहुत पड़ा। मैं तो 2 साल तक मैं केम अस्पताल दौड़ी हूँ, वहाँ से मुझे कुछ भी मदद नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। तो फिर मुझे मालूम पड़ा, तब मुझे अलियावर से यहाँ भेजे सर, एक है राजेश सर, हमको यहाँ भेजे। तो फिर यहाँ मुझे सर की मेहरबानी है, आरती मैडम, इससे यहाँ मुझे लिलिया मैम सबके थोड़ा मदद से मेरे बच्चे आज बहुत बोलते हुए। थैंक यू।
The cochlear implant is a device that electrically stimulates the nerve endings in the cochlea, thereby providing sound.
और आज देखो ये खुद नॉर्मल बच्चों की तरह बोल रहा है, नॉर्मल स्कूल में, नॉर्मल बच्चों के बीच में है। लाइफ यहाँ से यहाँ चली गई है हम लोग की। तो थैंक यू डॉक्टर्स, थैंक यू होली फैमिली।
बताइए ना कि कौन सी कान से सुनने को ठीक आते हैं? हाथ से दिखाओ, इधर कि इधर? हाँ, इधर से सुनने को ठीक आते हैं ना? बिल्कुल ठीक। तो इस कान में मशीन डालो कि नहीं?
हाँ।
दोनों कान में मशीन डालेंगे और फायदा में नहीं है?
दो में।
ठीक है, दोनों में साथ में हो जाएंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ।
Okay. The success rate is very, very high. It is deemed to be about 98%. The reason the 2% is that we're not sure is because it depends on the end organ, that is the cochlea, and how well it has survived the damage that it has suffered. But as our understanding of hearing improves, as the sophistication of the device increases and evolves, we are sure that the success rate of the device will be even further increased. This is Sana. As you can see from her bandage that she's just undergone a cochlear implant on the right ear. In 2014, she has undergone a cochlear implant on the left ear. She has benefited from it tremendously. She's able to speak clearly, hear clearly. And this has given her parents immense satisfaction, which has caused them to seek implantation in the other ear. Cochlear implants in both ears benefit the patient tremendously, improves their understanding of speech, helps them to talk clearly, and reintegrates them in society in a very meaningful and productive way.
कि बच्चा का ऑपरेशन होने से, एक कान का होने से इतना फायदा हुआ ना कि कोई बच्चे कुछ वर्ड ही नहीं बोल पाते थे, मम्मी पापा खाना या पानी तक का नहीं बोल पाते थे। अभी बच्चा पूरा 1 से लेके 40 तक बोलती भी है, पोल्ट्री बोलती है, मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई में भी अच्छी है। और अभी दूसरा कान का भी ऑपरेशन हो गया, तो देखो गॉड और अच्छा ग्रो होएगा।
This is Mohammad Azam. He is 5 years old. He was operated for his right ear surgery was done 3 years ago, and he is due for his left ear surgery in March.
ये स्टोरी बोला, उसमें मॉरल क्या था? नेवर गिव अप। सर्जरी हो चुकी है, मशीन मिल चुकी है, अब उसमें मेहनत हम लोग की है, पेरेंट्स की है। बिना ऐसे तो नहीं कि मशीन लगी बस अभी बच्चे सुनने लगे, तो मेहनत करो, तभी तो प्यास बुझेगी, तभी तो बच्चे सुनने लगेगा, तभी तो बच्चा बोलने लगेगा।
My name is Bhagwat Patil and I am working in Holy Family Hospital as a cochlear implant coordinator and social worker to raise the fund for the children coming to the hospital for cochlear implant surgery. Most of the children I observe coming from the lower state of the society, and they find very difficult to arrange the fund for the costly surgery.
Our resources are extremely limited because the cost of the device is expensive. It's approximately 6 lakhs. Furthermore, evaluating of these children will require further 2 lakhs, which is an enormous amount of money. Since we treat patients from very poor families and disadvantaged socioeconomic status, we have donors in the form of the Tata Group of Trusts and the Salman Trust. Both these trusts have been very, very generous and gracious and have rushed to our aid. My plea to potential donors and to donors is that you are changing a life for the better in a very tangible way. Children who would be isolated socially, psychologically, and in all kinds of ways, and be left out completely from society, are really and truly meaningfully integrated into society. It changes their lives dramatically, and these children who are looked upon with despair by their parents, now I can see the tangible joy in the parents when they hear their children speak and respond in a very meaningful way, in the way that all children should respond when their parents call out to them.